In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert DOGE tokens to USDT on Binance safely and efficiently. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step to ensure you're comfortable making the conversion. We'll be focusing on using the Binance Convert tool, which is both quick and simple. First things first, you'll need to log into your Binance account, which can be done either on the web or through the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu where you'll find the Convert option. Sometimes this might be located under sections labeled Trade, Quick Trade, or simply Convert. So, take a moment to explore if it's not immediately visible. Once you're in the Convert section, the next step is to select the DOGE token as the token you want to convert from. You're essentially telling Binance, "Here's what I have." Now you should select USDT as the token you wish to convert to, indicating, "This is what I want." Enter the amount of DOGEs you plan to convert. Take this step slowly to double-check your figures and avoid any costly errors. Once you've entered the amount, Binance will automatically show you the amount of USDT you'll receive once the conversion is complete. This preview will consider any fees that will be deducted, giving you a clear picture of what to expect. Take a moment to confirm the rate shown. It's important to be aware of the current exchange rate, as cryptocurrency values can fluctuate rapidly. Ensure that you're satisfied with the rate and the transaction before proceeding. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on the Convert button. Once you do, the conversion is executed almost immediately, making it one of the fastest ways to exchange your tokens. After the conversion, your newly acquired USDT should appear right in your wallet, often your spot wallet, though it will depend on your personal setup. Take a moment to check your wallet to verify that the USDT balance is there. It should match up with the amount you were shown in the final preview before you hit Convert. This method is perfect for those who value speed and simplicity, allowing you to effortlessly exchange your DOGE tokens for USDT with just a few clicks. It's always a good idea to double-check and ensure you're using a secure internet connection when handling cryptocurrencies to protect your assets. There you have it, a quick, comprehensive guide to converting DOGEs to USDT on Binance. Thanks for following along, and now you're ready to make your conversions with confidence.